Texas Redfish Hunter TV.
Alright guys, so today what I'm going to be throwing is a spec rig. So it's got two different leader sides on it. It's got two different jig heads. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to rip the spec tails off of them, and I'm going to replace those spec tails with chartreuse gulp swimming mullets. The greatest bait I've ever used in my life. So that's going to be basically a tandem rig. This is really good for flounder. This is really good for trout, and you'll even catch redfish on this rig. It's just a little bit different presentation. You jig it in a little bit, you work it a little bit slower, and the flounder love it, speckled trout love it, and you'll catch some redfish doing it too. So that's what I'm going to start out with throwing here. So stay tuned. Let's see if this thing works today. This is what it looks like once you get the swimming mullet on there. That thing just makes some really good action in the water. Should be a really good bait here. Let's get it.
What?
I said let's get it.
So the way you retrieve this lure is kind of just slow jigs. You jig it about 2 or 3 times, make it a little bit sporadic, reel down on it, jig it more. Slow down the retrieve, speed up the retrieve, find what the fish want. On this day I was finding that a lot of these fish were short striking. They were biting the tails, and that's something that a lot of rat reds do, and that's something that the dink specs do. So there were a lot of small fish around. You'll feel a lot with this lure. You're going to feel the bottom, you're going to feel when you pull through grass, so it gives you a lot of feel, and when you'll be able to feel these bites really easily. Fortunately, there's a lot of small fish around, so I'm getting a lot of dink hits. So while I'm running around throwing the lures, Cora's using live shrimp under a cork at the entrance to a marsh with a lot of current movement.
Fish on! Oh, shit. Excuse my language. Woo!
Big ass sheep's head. Oh my good lord, that's a big ass sheep's head. Oh my god.
I know.
Boom, that's a big ass sheep's head.
I thought it was black drum.
She thought it was a black john. She always does that.
This teeth though.
Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Okay. What's up?
Wow. Change that. Nope.
Are you kidding me?
No.
I hate you so much.
Literally the same spot.
It's gonna be the same exact sheep's head.
Is it? Nope. I don't think so. I don't know. I don't know, I can't see it. My leader is really long. That's hilarious.
I hear it pull and drag.
It's literally right next to you. I'm gonna die if it's the same fish. Dude, chill. It's a flounder! Huge flounder! Oh man, hold on. Oh my gosh, come here, dude. crap, the biggest flounder either of us have ever caught. Okay. Well, that was so funny. What is life with Cora?
I hate Cora sometimes.
I do know this is a flounder, though.
I'm glad you know that. That is a big ass flounder.
That's. Told you it was like the biggest flounder we've ever caught.
I've never caught flounder.
And see, this is why I really don't like Cora a lot. Just laugh.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Great.
First a personal best sheep's head, now a personal best flounder for Cora. They're loving the live shrimp. So here we're actually filming for another video upcoming on the channel, and while she's filming me, she has her live shrimp out behind her, and her rod takes off. And if you don't have a good day, go fish on, fish on, fish on.
Oh.
You fish?
That was my dragon.
Your drag is not set.
I know. I didn't know. I never fixed this one.
Make sure it's turned the right way.
Now it is. Oh, there's too many lines in the water. Huh?
I said, yeah, you do. He's coming straight for your other line.
No, what is life?
Try to keep him away from it.
Oh, he already switched it up.
Is he over it? He's over it. You're good. He's coming right at me. He's coming right over here.
You think you can ever here?
Maybe, yeah.
It's a red. Yes! Oh, I can get him.
You got him?
Yes!
Nice. Now that's a nice redfish to be your first redfish of 2016. Getting the year started off right.
He is not ready.
Not quite yet. There he
There we
goes.
go. Hey!
Bye-bye, Mr. Redfish.
Yay!
Good job, Cora.
That's all I wanted. Now I need a trout.
And then you complete your freaking...
My first, what is it?
No, you've...
Texas Slam?
Texas Slam. You've already done it before.
I know, but not 2016.
First 2016 Texas Slam, that's true.
Now this is really funny. Keep a close eye on what starts raining down from the sky.
I just got shit on by those birds. Yeah, the birds just shit. Cora's not very lucky today. Those birds that just flew over, I just got pooped on. I'm gonna cry. Oh, fish again. Maybe I won't cry. Oh, the same sheep's head. It looks like it's just as big. I can't believe we got pooped on.
I had to go back to my camera to see if I caught it, and I did. Those birds flew directly over top of her and were obviously targeting her. I thought it was hilarious. She didn't find it very funny, but it definitely was a good luck charm. Cora just got a really nice new camera and she's been playing around with it a lot, and it takes some amazing pictures. So definitely be on the lookout for those on our Instagram and Facebook page.
Fish on. We're red.
New lure, live target popper. That's what I'm going to throw. It's getting a little late, so it's time for some top water action.
I threw this lure and I threw this lure and I threw this lure and I could not get any topwater hits, and I'm kind of a topwater junkie like everyone else is, and I love watching topwater blow-ups, but I stuck with this lure too long. I think I stuck with all these lures that I used today too long because I used mullet imitation lures and they obviously didn't want mullet. Cora was throwing live shrimp and she was destroying it. She killed me today, and it was obvious that these fish wanted shrimp. I should have just done that. We only fished for about 2.5 hours. So I should have switched over after about an hour and she was catching and I wasn't, but I didn't. And you know, that's one thing, you learn from your mistakes. But if you're not catching, definitely I recommend changing your lure, changing your approach, because that's the way you're going to catch fish. It didn't work out for me today, but Cora had an amazing day and she caught a whole lot of fish.
It is just absolutely beautiful out here today. Beautiful. I love it. Just nothing better. Nothing better than this. I'm gonna spin y'all around just to look at this. I was showing the camera the sunset. I'm doing tricks, alright?
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like. That would be much appreciated. Also, if you haven't already and you want continued fishing content, hit that subscribe button for more fishing videos to come. If you want to check out some other videos we did in the past, hit that kayak fishing link. Like us on Facebook by clicking the link or searching Texas Redfish Hunter TV. You can also follow us on Instagram, Texas Redfish Hunter. Again, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate your support, and we will see you guys next week on the water.